गोंय हे सेमी अर्बनायज्ड राज्य कशें आसा. मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांच्यांनी शार नियोजना खातीर आपले विचार मांडल्यात. दर पालिका वाठारांत फुटसाल ग्राउंड उपलब्ध करून दिवपाचो विचार ह्या वेळार मंत्री राणे हांच्यांनी मांडला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Today, I would like to share with the people of the state of Goa. We are like a semi-urbanized state and maybe more urbanized than many of the places and many of the states in the country. Our whole objective, and as far as the Minister of Urban Development, I would like to address you and tell you exactly what we are doing. On every vertical, we are taking a thorough audit. We are also seeing that the voice of the municipalities is heard. Whatever the municipalities want, create a master plan and also try to create a different type of a vertical by which we are able to monitor the mechanisms in the different municipalities. We are here to support the local bodies, we are here to support the chairpersons and their bodies, elected representatives, and find out what they want and how things need to be implemented. Today, with the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and his vision for a modern India, and when we talk about a global vision for running the country, which our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has, and the type of funds that have been made available for us, taking into consideration every aspect in terms of urban planning. We have taken an organization on board for creating a master plan immediately now for Ponda, Madgaon and Valpoi. We are on the job to see that master plans are mandatorily made in all the other municipalities. It is very important that we have a comprehensive development plan for us to take planning and urban planning to a different level. And in a small state like Goa, which is easily achievable, we must have accountability. We must also have good consultants on board and which we are empaneling. And we are in the process, we have also taken an advisor now to the Ministry of Urban Development, and on the basis to create an interface between the consultant, advisor and the consultant that will come on board, so that the consultants today in the overall framework that has been given by the Ministry of Urban Development, Government of India, Shri Hardeep Puri ji and the whole ministry, and the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, what we are trying to do is trying to create an interface between us, the consultants, the secretary, and then the local bodies, so that we are able to take things forward. Whether it is waste disposal, whether it is water purification, whether it is creating urban planning, micro-level planning in the villages, understand and what are the areas that we need to give trust. We are also getting accountability from the local bodies and also accountability from Sura, that how the money is being utilized, for what the money is being used. We are also concentrating on youth in one sector, women self-help groups and other things through urban in the urban areas. And the whole idea is to see that we are able to create a modern Goa. Recently, in certain, we have also pitched MOPA for one of the fast-growing economies and cities in the new scheme of the Government of India, and 8 have been shortlisted. MOPA is one of them. And hopefully MOPA will be selected because that's going to be the fastest growing district in the state of Goa. The whole idea here is also to create futsal grounds, infrastructure, gyms in the urban element and in the urban planning through the consultant, whatever we feel that is required in consultation with the local bodies, we will be moving forward. Recently in the meeting held by with the chief officers, we understood exactly what was happening overall. We'll be also sitting with the mayor of Pantin, Mr. Rohit, and also seeing how best we can provide the support through G. Sura and the Urban Development Ministry to the city of Panjim. In addition, what needs to be done even in smaller municipalities and class 3 municipalities, whether there is a provision in the Government of India to increase the grants. Ultimately, we need the cooperation of people in the state of Goa. We are in the process of creating a professional approach in the Department of Urban Planning. I have put my foot down on just recruiting LDCs and several other just mere ordinary jobs, but basically what we require today is a technical backup and a technical backup team and technical staff like engineers and other qualified architects and other people who can actually guide us and help us in implementing various verticals in Government of India. Government of India gives you money, but it is the onus is on us to see that we are able to utilize this money in the transparent model of the NITI Aayog and move forward under various modalities that have been already laid down. What we want to do is provide these futsal grounds in every municipal area. We give them, the youth, the benefit that they want. And similarly, what is the type of infrastructure that we can create, that we need to create that type of infrastructure and move forward. Ultimately, we are here for the people of the state of Goa. And I can assure you, over the next 6 months, you will see a transformation in the thought process and thinking of the Urban Development Ministry and in the vision of the Prime Minister. Whatever the vision the Prime Minister has for the country, we will take every vertical, his thought process, and implement it at the grassroots.